Want to make money online with TikTok and YouTube Shorts? Well, you're in the right place. Short-form videos are exploding right now, and creators are cashing in big. In this video, I'll show you smart money tactics that you can use to start earning today even if you have 0 followers. So stick around because you don't want to miss this. So, why are short videos such a goldmine? Let me break it down. Massive reach. TikTok and YouTube Shorts push your content to a huge audience even if you're new. Easy to go viral. Unlike long videos, a single 10-30 second clip can get millions of views overnight. Multiple monetization options. This is where the real money comes in. So let's talk tactics. First up, affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning even with 0 subscribers. Here's how it works. You sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24. You find a product that fits your niche. You create a short, engaging video about it. You add your affiliate link in the description or comments. Every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. Pro tip: choose viral, trending products, especially ones that solve a problem. For example, Amazon must-haves or TikTok viral gadgets. Now, let's talk about getting paid directly by YouTube and TikTok. YouTube Shorts monetization. If you have 1,000 subscribers plus 10 million Shorts views in 90 days, you can join YouTube's partner program and earn from ads. TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok pays creators once they hit 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. While the payout isn't huge, it stacks up when combined with other income streams. Next up, brand deals and sponsorships. This is where the real money is. Even with a small but engaged audience, brands will pay you to feature their products in your shorts. How to get brand deals? Pick a niche: tech, beauty, finance, fitness, etc. Post valuable, engaging shorts consistently. Use platforms like Collabster, Upfluence, and BrandSnob to connect with brands. DM small businesses directly. Offer to make promo videos for them. Pro tip: start with small brands before reaching out to bigger companies. Alright, you know the tactics now. How do you start today? Choose a niche you love. Don't just follow trends, stick to something you're interested in. Batch create viral style shorts. Use trending sounds, captions, and hooks. Post daily on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. More content equals more chances to go viral. Optimize for the algorithm. Use hashtags, engaging captions, and strong hooks. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 99% of people who never take action. Now it's your turn. Start posting shorts today and let me know in the comments what niche you're choosing. If this video helped you, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.